the Lego Kid 2003, and here I am back again with more Beyblade Burst battles, using, just like the last one, Beyblades that I got for this year for Christmas, and if you guys watched the last battle, you would know that, if you guys haven't watched the last battle, watch it now, because in just a few small handful of seconds, there is going to be a spoiler alert. So if you don't want to be spoiled on the results of the last battle, click off this video now and go watch the battle between Ifritor I2 and Ifritor E2. So I'll give you guys 3 seconds to click off to watch the last battle, and then come back, and the spoiler won't end up affecting you. 3, 2, 1. Alright then, time's up. So, spoilers, Ifritor had a landslide victory against Ifritor with a score of 5-0, and this time Ifritor is going up against a stamina type with Horusood H2, upper claw. And in case you guys don't know the parts for Ifritor or don't remember, the disc is Magnum and the driver is indeed Liner. So it's going to be first to 5 points. Burst finishes count as 2 points. So let's get round 1 underway. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. So it seems like Horusood is definitely a bit more mobile. Will Ifritor have a landslide victory once again? Or will Horusood stop that streak? Alright, so I can't really tell what that was, but I'm just gonna say that it was a tie, because that was too close to even tell, in my opinion. So, round 2, score is 0 across the board. 3, 2, 1, let it go. This looks like Ifritor claimed his center spot. Horusood is trying everything in his power to knock it away. This looks like Ifritor. Whoa! Alright, so I could definitely tell that the win was Ifritor's, and there was a tiny slide for Horusood. So the score is currently 1 to nothing. Ifritor's favor. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Alright, let's see what happens. Horusood to get his revenge, or will Ifritor prevail once again? Alright, so it looks like Ifritor did indeed fall, and there's a tiny slide, and tiny slide. So the score is 1 across the board. So, round 3, actually, no, round 4. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright, so far, Horusood and Ifritor are really fighting, because right now the score is completely tied. So, let's see what happens. Tie. No points awarded for a simultaneous spin finish. So, let's enter round 5 with still a score of 1-0. I mean, 1 to 1. So 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, whoa, that was weird. That was definitely weird. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, oh my gosh. Well, looks like Horusood was briefly pounced. Couldn't really tell, but then again, these phase 2 surprised me in many ways. Looks like the camera's a bit crooked. There we go, that's a bit better. Will either Bay claim a point or will it be another tie? Nobody knows. Ooh, that was way too close to call. Something tells me that was once again a tie. So, and a tiny slide for both of them. So, let's go through that again. Alright, round 6 with a score of 1-1. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, if I end up experiencing another tie here, oh jeez, then I'm just going to say first 2 because it'll just end up taking way too long. And yeah, so looks like Horusood did indeed snag itself a point. Let's see if I can just readjust the camera there. Alright, I get it. So looks like there is a bit of a slide for Ifritor, and a tiny slide for Horusood. So the score is currently, if I remember, 2-1 in Horusood's favor. So round 7 now. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So in goes Horusood. And in goes Ifritor. So this is definitely, Ifritor is definitely struggling this time. Because in the last battle, I noticed that Ifritor had absolutely zero trouble. Looks like Horusood's actually putting up a fight. Whoa! And despite being launched first, Horusood ends up gaining yet another point. So, tiny slide for both of them. The score is now 3 with Horusood 1 to Ifritor. The score is currently 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Whoa, my gosh. Alright, so let's see the result of this battle. Let's see if Horusood ends up claiming yet another point. Let's see what happens. So keep in mind that Ifritor is a balance type and Horusood is a stamina type. It looks like actually, I couldn't really tell, but it did look like Horusood just barely outlasted Ifritor with a tiny slide, with a small slide to make up for both. So the score is 4-1. Let's see if Ifritor can catch up. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Goodness, this video is certainly getting along. Alright. So, yeah, the question here is, has Ifritor finally met his match in only the second battle on this channel? That is certainly a question to ask. Yeet. Yep, looks like Ifritor met his match this early. Because Horusood H2 ends up winning with a score of 5-1. Oh my gosh. You know what, I just might do a bonus round just so Ifritor can get at least one more point to at least see. Whoa, oh my gosh. I know he's gonna end up losing no matter. I know that Ifritor's sadly going to end up losing no matter what the result is of this battle, but why not? tie. So, either way, Horusood ends up winning this battle with a score of 5-1. And just so you know that meowing in the background is my cat. And he just left. You know, I wanted him to be on camera to show that I at least somewhat care. But, either way, stay tuned, because we are giving Ifritor another chance with Horusood H2 against Ifritor I2. So, just like always, comment, like, subscribe, and, of course, stay awesome.